Hello everyone, welcome back to Secret Fashioners channel. My name is Fola. Today we'll be learning how to make this stylish Aso Oke Bubu with a tassel at the hem region. I have about 2 dozens of this tassel. One pack of Aso Oke, original Aso Oke is okay. The one with 6.5 to 7 inches or thereabouts. A pack of it is okay. So this one is a pack. I've joined it together. It has been joined together as a row, but it is okay to use for this style we want to make. So it's a pack. Then just one slice of this to complement the style. 3 Aso Oke was used, but I will just be using 2 for this project. This for the main bubu. This will be used for the V-neckline. Let's get started. Now to make this bubu, the Aso Oke, we have 8 slices in a bundle. So but I make use of 7. I join 7 together. One has been used for filler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is joined together, and the length is each slice is length 8 inches. So it's on fold, we have 40 inches here. So what we do now is to share this into 2 equal parts. So meaning after you have joined your 7 slices together, you are going to divide it into 2 equal parts. So for this bubu, there is no much measurements in it. One will be used for back, one will be used for the front. So this is for the back. So you just measure, this is the starting point. So you can rule your half an inch to serve as your starting point. Then you get your 3 inches by 1 inch. That's the width for your back neckline. You can use 1.5. So when I place it on that 7 inches that I joined together, when I place it on foot, this me 23.5 wideness. That is like 46 or 47. So here you step downward with 2 inches. I'm using like 1.25. If you don't know how to join your Aso Oke, we have a video on that. We are likely to drop the link for that one. So this is for the back. So we want to cut the front now, which is a V-neckline. Now to draft the back, the front, I rule out my half an inch joining allowance at the shoulder region. So then I measure 3 inches. Then the depth of my neckline is going to be 7 inches. Then I connect my V-neckline. I slant the shoulder slope 2 inches. I connect it just the way it was done in the back. Joining allowance is returned. cut it and make yours 8 inches. I mean the depth of the neckline. Now the next thing I want to do is to get the facing for the neckline. So, and to achieve the front, you know, the depth of the neckline is 7 inches, and let's just add like 6 to 7 inches to it again. I'll be using 7 inches. So this is where we are going. So that 7 inches I use, the one will serve as a joining allowance. So 7 inches here plus 7 inches, that's 14. So we measure out 14 inches. I mean the joining allowance for. So get 14 inches. It's 2 you need. So I'm cutting it together. So I'll go and join these 2 pieces together. We join it this way. That's the way we normally join our Aso Oke. So it is after I join it together, I will use it to cut out this. And then even for the back neckline, I'll be cutting out this. So we'll be cutting out like 4.5. We are cutting out 2 as well. We are going to join it together. And I'll cut out 5 inches. 2 pieces. So that I can join this one together as well. So let me go and join it together. Now, I've joined these facings together. This for the front, this for the back. So I cut out the front first. Now, before I cut it out, I'll just pick my ruler, take it from here, connect it to this end. After cutting out, this is what we have. To join it with our bubu now. This is the right side. It's going to be by the right side. All you need to do is to just join it. It's like a 1/4 inch. Join it together here. Then flip it to the front. After joining V, you now fold it in. It's like 1/4 inch, or you bond the edges with candle. Just stitch it down. If this fabric will align to that method, or better still, fold it in with 1/4 inch. The back facing has been cut out. This is it. So you join it the same way with 1/4 inch, and you flip it to the right side, and stitch it down, folding in by 1/4 inch. Use it go ahead to join the front and back together. I inserted the front to the back, so thereafter I notch it, then stitch it here. So I'll just go and overlock this. After I just attach this my tassel to it. I have 2 dozens, which amounts to 24. So I will put 12 in the front, 12 at the back. The tassel has been attached to it. So the next thing I want to do is to join the side. And to join the side, all you need to do is to measure 10 inches from the hem part. Measure 10 inches, this will serve as your slit. And the armhole we join here, measure 9 to 11 inches. I'll be using 9 inches. Mark it here, mark it here. So the next thing is to grab the remaining parts of your Aso Oke. So you measure what you have from the slit to the armhole. You have like 18 inches here. So you just, that 18 inches, just add 1 or 2 to it. So I'll be cutting out 20 inches. So for this one now, after folding it, just fold it this way. So after folding it, fold it up and down. So you just place it here and just join it to that end. Put it here as well. Join it. So that is the way it's going to be by the side. You do the same thing to the other side. Let's go and do that. Because if we should place it on itself this way, it will not be nice. So it won't be nice. So the best way is to do it the way I just told you. Let's go and do that. I've gone ahead to join it. So as I wanted to join it, I just noticed that the wideness of this Aso Oke is too much for me. So I decided to use like 2 inches to demarcate it. So the rest is being folded in, it's being hidden inside. Yeah, that's it. Our Aso Oke Bubu is ready. So note that if you want your bubu to be longer than this, just cut out the Aso Oke with the length, your desired length. Assuming you want it 45, so you just cut 45 length, 7 for the front, 7 for the back. And if you want it longer than 45, you can just get more, get extra Aso Oke. Ensure you have like a 1.5 pack of Aso Oke, so that you can cut it to any length you want. So that's it on this video. I believe you have enjoyed this video and learned 1 or 2 things from it. So like this video, share it with your friends and family. Drop your comment on the comment section. Subscribe if you are yet to do so. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.